Does. To perform or carry out. Mr. Stone does his job really well. He performs his job well, so he does it well. Vanessa does her homework happily every day. She performs her homework happily each day. Say one of our sentences or come up with one of your own.
Your turn! Wordplay?
Does. Our first sound is D, so we write our D. The rest of our word is us, and we just have to remember that in this word, that is O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S.
Wrap up?
Does. To perform or carry out. Does your family talk every night at dinner? If not, try getting them to do that. It'll feel really nice. Farewell.